Hello everyone, and today we are going to make homemade pancakes, and the ingredients are flour, sugar, milk powder, baking powder, bicarbonate soda, and we mix them all up. Those are the dry ingredients, and now we move forward to the other ingredients. We have oil, melted butter, eggs, vanilla essence, and we mix all the wet ingredients all up. Now we are gonna mix both the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients to form a mixture. Finally, we are going to add milk to make the mixture a bit light. And there you have it, guys. We have our mixture ready. Now, with our cooking oil and the fire station, we are ready to cook the pancakes. We are going to need a frying pan, scooping up a bit of the mixture, we are going to pour it on the frying pan to form a circular shape, just like a pancake. We are then going to let it cook as we turn it over. Then we're going to add a bit more of oil on the frying pan and add another scoop of the mixture. Our second pancake is almost done. And there you have it, guys. We have our pancakes all ready. Pancakes are best served for breakfast with any beverage of your choice. It could be tea, it could be coffee, it could be juice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.